Alright, we're gonna give this one more shot. This is how you're gonna parallel conduits in AutoCAD MEP. Revit has the better tool set for this. We need 8 sets of parallel conduit. Currently we have 4. So we're gonna grab this section and we're gonna copy it. We're gonna move it over 8 inches. Currently we're doing 4-inch spacing between our conduit. So since we're copying 2, we bump up to 8. Check your UCS if you do not have a my UCS is set up correctly right now, but you can see that it's not on world coordinate system here because my conduit wasn't perfectly perpendicular to. So to make that copy over, perfectly parallel to the existing conduit there, I had to change my coordinate system. And so just real quick, I'll just show you. I'll set my UCS back to user coordinate system back to world view. So this is the standard now. And then we go back to the top view. You can see this was not perfectly aligned. So to make a parallel set, I couldn't use orthos. So I just aligned my UCS that way I could use orthos to get that perfectly lined up. Okay, so then now the hard part here is just going to be taking this existing conduit. We've got 4 here. Okay, it's giving me so I'm in a left side view here, so I need to actually just change my UCS to be towards my view. That way I can go up in the Z direction. Okay, so we'll do 8 inches again. And now comes the easy part. We're gonna grab this grip here. I'm gonna try to snap to the grip on this piece of conduit right here. You can see a green little grip there, so we'll do that. And I'll accept that by right-clicking. Looks pretty good. We'll continue this. We're still in conduit add mode. So I'll just make sure I get my grip there. Get my grip here. Looks good. We'll just continue to do this. So this is the workflow you'll use if you're trying to parallel existing conduit runs. This is one of the workflows you'll use at least. Oops, I forgot to right click to hit accept. And lastly, and right click to accept. And just like that, you got parallel conduits.